And thank you for watching eShipper Weekly. Today we're going to go through the quick quote feature to be able to get you a quote in under 1 minute. Now, first of all, you'll log into your account and go to Ship and hit Quote. From there, you'll see that you can enter in just the short information from your ship from and ship to. That's the country, postal code, city, etc. You can just put in the postal code and it'll come up with the other information. So I'm just going to put in the ship to right now, and this is just going to Peterborough. As you can see, it auto-populated the city there. Now you have your options of envelope, pack, package, pallet, or smart e-home, and the quantity of the things that you're shipping as well. Now put in your dimensions. I'm going to put in a 12 by 12 by 12, a 10-pound package, because it doesn't matter if it's 10 or less, it's going to be the same price. And then you're going to see there's the option for insurance. It's automatically going to cover $100. So you have your options here for eShipper insurance or carrier insurance. The carrier is going to cost a bit more. eShipper is going to be a bit less. It's still going to cover you regardless. And then just select this and you'll see your various rates that pop up here. It's going to come up with the cheapest one first, and then it's going to show the various other rates that come and with the estimated transit days. So this one was a closer one from Brampton to Peterborough, Ontario. So obviously all the transit days are 1 day, but you could have further distances, say to Vancouver, and it could be 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, different options. And obviously the less transit days, the cheaper it'll be. Thank you for watching eShipper Weekly, and we hope this tip helped you today.